So this is the reception to Residence Inn. Very beautiful. So what's so nice about this hotel is it's one side is Residence Inn and one side is Marriott. So this is nice. Decorated, and then we have the breakfast area where they give you cold and hot breakfast. Very nice. And then the breakfast timing is here, right here. It's good enough, and it is next to the elevators. Montreal, nice. And we are staying in Residence Inn. Very nice facility. I did bring some dinner. So they have all the utensils, everything. So I'm heating that up. They do have lots of plates and everything, cups and all that, so you don't have to worry about it. There's a microwave. They have a nice big king size bed. And then there is a closet. And if I can turn on the light for you. And there is a nice big washer with a shower. I always like the shower with all the shampoo and everything. So this is breakfast place. There is some cereals and hot breakfast, waffle that you can have here. Very nice. There's a nice gym that is shared by the Marriott and Residence Inn, both sides. So Courtyard Marriott and Residence Inn share this amenities of gym, and there is a swimming pool as well. And there is a water filter right here, which I am filling up my water. This is the way they are connected. So Residence Inn Marriott is right there, and this is Courtyard Marriott. So they're both located very close by. So all the amenities are shared at this hotel. Now see, I'm gonna go into Residence Inn. So that's where we stay. So I open this up and I go to my side. If I go on the other side, I'll be at Courtyard Marriott. So I'm gonna take my elevator and go up. It's a nice family hotel. Underground parking, which is shared by Courtyard Marriott and Residence Inn. It's like you pay $23 a night to get underground heated parking.